Hi there, it's Mark here again. I've got Rob on the camera.
Hello.
And I'm actually around Rob's place. Because I've just come to film unboxing, well, not just this, but Rob's new kit. So get over to Rob's channel and look at the new kit he's got. But as for this video, it's this kit.
Yes.
And this is the SCA1E. Reads like scale, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It's the self-build crawler 2.1 SPEC deluxe builder's kit.
Ooh.
So there's some extra goodies in there, and we'll get the lid off and see what you get for your money. Right then, it's quite a heavy box this, isn't it, Rob?
Right, yes.
Gonna have to get a knife for this, Rob. So here we go, you've got this great big bag with all the Lexan body parts in. Get that out of the road. I'm gonna have to open it because you can't see, can you?
No.
Rob's lent me his knife.
Yes.
Right, let's have a look at here then. Right then, so here's a big bag of goodies, isn't it? So we've got bumpers, looks like we've got light buckets, is it? We've got all the LEDs, look, there's a bunch of LEDs. Cool. 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 LEDs, I think, in there, dudes.
Wow.
And we've got some light lenses, you can see those with that. Yeah, so those are all your accessories. There's your grill, double-sided tape, and a bunch of fixings.
Cool.
That's that. We've got a bonnet. I think that's supposed to open. Looks like you do need to cut it out and spray that. That'll be the rear cab, won't it, dude? I don't know if you're picking that up on there, but
just about.
Bit of trimming to do. It's a fair size, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, sticker pack. All the Carisma stickers. I think these are, looks like window masks. Right then, so yeah, definitely those are window masks. Yeah. And then you've got all the window trims. I think these are mud flaps, Rob, that you can make up and put on. But yeah, so nicely pre-cut those are.
Yes.
And here's the main body itself. Yeah, that's pretty cool, isn't it? I don't think it's a licensed Land Rover one though, because there's no Land Rover badges are there at all. Did you notice that? Yeah. And they call it a Bulldog. Is that a Land Rover? Did they make a Bulldog? Oh, no, mate, I don't think so.
It's definitely
generic kind of Land Rover. It's very boxy, isn't it? Very boxy. We're going to do lots of cutting out, great big holes for the lights, and that's going to be fun. Anyway, so that's your body. Nice thick Lexan, dude.
Cool.
I'll just drag out the manual. This is really thick manual, but this, Rob. Look at that, and I think what happens on this build-up, you open up parts bag A and you get all the parts that do like a sub-assembly. So A will build all the shocks. Where's B? Yeah, so that's your differentials, which aren't differentials, so they're locked. Yeah, and then C is your gearboxes and so on. So there's your manual. Right then, so bag A's got all the parts for your shocks, so you can see alloy bodies there, your springs. We've got your diaphragms in there and the pistons and rods. So yeah, nice. So that'll make a whole lot of 4 sets of shocks. Right, bag B. So look, you've got metal gears. Look at that, all metal gears. Wow. And you've got ball bearings all included in there, all metal parts. So that's for your lock diffs. Cool. Bag C, these are for your axles, aren't they? So that'll be building up front and back axles. Again, you've got metal gears and the ball bearings and all the hardware for that step. You see all the screws are in there. Yeah. Oh, and they're all Allen head screws, dude. Right. So that's another cool thing about this kit. Bag D, again, more ball bearings. This looks like the steering. It looks like it could be the front hubs there. Yeah. See the uprights? Yes. So that'll be for your front steering. Obviously, because the rear doesn't steer on this, and all the hardware again. Bag E, that looks like you've got your steel drive shafts there. That'll be for the rear, won't it? Because they're fixed. So that's for the rear axle. So yeah, that's bag E. So A, B, C, D, E, F. Oh, we've got G, H, J. Oh, we have got an F. Right. These are like the steel links, aren't they? So those are the links for the 4-link suspension, and all the ball ends in there. That's what PY ball ends. Yeah, all metal hardware there. G, these are for the prop shafts. These again are solid steel for the front and rear prop shafts. H, this looks like gearbox, doesn't it?
It
I
does,
think
yeah.
it's got a slipper clutch, Rob.
Spur
So
gear and
yeah,
gear
definitely. So
engines.
all your gears are in there, I think. And again, ball bearings. Yeah, there's more gears.
Yeah.
All in metal, which looks pretty damn cool, dude.
Big bag fry.
Oh, big bag fry. I'm gonna have to open this. We can't see them, mate. I'll have to put them back in when else
You
so
will.
I know what's what. So, right, we've got Velcro straps and we've got these side plates, so there's like
Right.
skid plate type
Yeah.
things. And I think it's also got plates that run up the side and hold onto the body. So that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
All the hardware again,
Yeah.
hex hardware for bolting it all together. These are the body posts, look. I think these are parts of the cross brace for the chassis.
Right.
Steering servo parts, I think those are the steering arms, aren't they? And it looks like, I think these are the shock mounts with the multiple positions that you can mount the shocks on. And then Jay is bumpers, but I don't think you use the bumpers. Look at the manual, dude.
Right.
Yeah, the front and rear bumpers there, and you've got all those like the clamps and stuff.
Yeah.
We've got a loose wheel, which is a spare,
Cool.
and then bag K is your 4 wheels. And as you see, I've opened this, dude, they are B-locks, as you can see.
Excellent.
Absolutely no smell at all, Rob. There's
Oh,
no.
no.
Oh, I'm disappointed.
Yeah.
Come on, Carisma.
Definitely.
We want that kind of tangy, pungent smell. No, there's no whiff to them whatsoever, mate. But they're filled with foam. Look, got foams in there.
Cool.
If you can see that,
Yeah.
dude. And they are super squishy, I've got to say. Not a very aggressive tyre tread pattern, but they should be good on hard surfaces. Or
Yeah.
very grippy. So yeah, I do like those. And last but not least, we've got this option part set. So these extras you get with it,
Right.
dude. I'm going to open it because in here we've got some nice aluminium parts. So that's
Yeah.
like the steering link in it for the front that comes
is,
from the
yeah.
servo. So that looks nice and solid, cling cling. And then we've got some lovely alloy uprights. Look at those.
Wow.
So they're the front steering knuckles, and
Yeah,
they're like carbon fibre parts. And yeah, all your hardware. So there you go.
Well, I'll definitely fit them.
Yeah, sure will. Oh, and I'm gonna have to like edit this into the video because I left this bit out. It was at the side of the box. In here, Rob, is one of the most important things that you get in the kit.
The chassis
It is
rails.
the chassis rails, and as you can see, they are steel.
Yeah.
Very nice pressed steel pieces. So yeah, that is your ladder frame chassis.
Yes.
Right then. So now you know what's in the box.
Yeah.
All I've got to do now is put it together, isn't it?
Yeah.
I am going to do a build video. I wasn't going to, but a few people said they'd like to do one. So you know what? I'll just film what I do.
Yeah.
And yeah, I'll show you how I get on. So
Cool.
thanks for watching. Thanks for filming, Rob.
No problem.
And I hope to see you guys on the build guide. Bye.
Bye.